water can. Plant and I love to water and plant. And my plant love water. They want shower every day. But we can't waste water. That is why I have made this magic watering can. Them to make the magic watering can, we need an empty tin with a light and nail and hammer. This is how I made the can. I made a hole in the bottom of the tin using the nail and the hammer. Then I take the lid and made many holes in it. I was very carefully not hurt myself. I take a water. Thanks.
डब्बा उल्टा करो